Hey guys, it's Blaine Klein from Entrepreneur Takeover. Today I will briefly be covering what affiliate marketing is. We're going to go over some companies that are using it to drive new customers, and then look at a case study of some pretty successful people doing affiliate marketing in 2018. Affiliate marketing, it's basically when a company will give you a commission for bringing them a new customer. It's not quite multi-level marketing where you're a distributor and you have to pay a fee up front and there's all these people above you. Basically, a company will just pay you a one-time commission and whatever new customers you bring in, they'll pay you for that. Let's go ahead and look at some companies that are actually doing this in 2018. The first affiliate marketing program we're going to check out is Amazon Associates. So Amazon is the largest e-commerce company in the world, and basically you sign up, they will give you links to certain products that you want to promote, and then when you drive new customers to Amazon and they make purchases, they will give you a percentage of each sale. So for example, if I give someone a link to a microphone that I'm recording this tutorial from, and that person goes to Amazon, looks at the microphone but doesn't purchase it, and in turn they actually purchase a TV, for example, then I'll actually earn a commission for that TV. And it works for a lot of different categories on Amazon. They pay 10% on a lot of things, and then it kind of goes down from there. But this is definitely a huge one in 2018. A lot of vloggers and YouTubers are using it. It's a really great program. The next one we're going to look at is Clickfunnels. Clickfunnels is a software program that allows people with an online business to sell products using a funnel system. Their affiliate program is one of the best out there in terms of what you're going to make in commission. It's 40% per month that new customer remains a customer with Clickfunnels. So the first tier of their software is $97 a month in 2018. So as long as that person you drive as a new customer to them, as long as that person stays a customer, you're going to make 40% of that $97 each month. And then they have other software suites that go up from there. So it's a very popular program in 2018 for anyone selling stuff online. Another pretty big affiliate program is Hostgator. This is a web hosting company that I use and definitely recommend for your first web host. They pay on a tiered scale. So if you look at the amount of people you bring in, if you bring in more, they pay you more money per new customer. So if you're bringing in 1 to 5 a month, they'll pay you $50 a month. Not per month, but $50 once as a commission. And then if you're driving more than 21 sales in commissions, then they'll pay you $125 per new customer. So it can be very significant if you have a good way to drive traffic. Now let's go ahead and take a look at some case studies. These are some people that I know are really successful in affiliate marketing right now. The first one is Entrepreneur on Fire. This guy, his name is Lee Dumas, and he runs a daily podcast, but he's very transparent about how he's making money. So if you look at his income reports, this one's for July. He drives traffic from his podcast to a variety of affiliate marketing programs. We're going to scroll down to where he lists those out. Also, it's a really good podcast if you're curious. Cool. So these are the affiliate programs he's in. So his ClickFunnels revenue is around $30,000 a month. So he's very successful with that one. He uses a different web hosting one called Bluehost. That brings in around $450 a month, as well as a few other ones too. Another affiliate marketer that's pretty successful right now, his name's Pat Flynn, and he runs smartpassiveincome.com. Also a really great podcast on business and entrepreneurship. but he's also transparent on how much he's making. His last income report is from December of 2017, and you can see from Bluehost he's making around 27,000 a month. Another one he's into, Aweber, that's like an email marketing newsletter, email marketing software rather. So he's making around 1,300 a month from that one. So these are some pretty successful guys right now in 2018. Success leaves clues. That's why I'm looking at how they're making money, how they're driving traffic. I like their transparency. Thanks so much for viewing today, guys. If you have any sort of questions, go ahead and email me or leave a comment below. If you liked the video, if you found value, please give it a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.